Dash console, starter button's going to go here, power outlet's going to go here. Got a couple of buttons that need to go here, but I got to widen these out. So that's what we're going to do now. Panels can set up horn, fog lights, heated seat switches, USB plus voltmeter, the 1-up start button, which I really kind of dig. So what we're doing today, we've got this guy, electronic LED flasher. This is the original. This came from GBS. Basically what we need to do is rotate the pins in the socket. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, that doesn't work. That's the mechanical flasher that came with the car. Incandescence, yay, cool. I got this from Super Bright LEDs. It's a mechanical flasher unit. It barely has any strength at all and doesn't work in all orientations. It is a solid-state electronic LED flasher, also from Super Bright LEDs. It's also a piece of garbage, doesn't work. This guy I purchased from Car Builder Solutions. It works. It just works. Just buy it from Car Builder Solutions and save yourself some headache. Right here is a situation where past me told future me it's your problem. That's the reverse switch, and I gotta plug it into something. I gotta get in there. Swap out some connectors. GBS provided reverse, has a couple of crimped on female spades. The factory has female crimped on. Let's do something a little better. Connector should be good enough for this purpose. Side of it on the transmission. That pin popped out of the short shifter. Oops. This cable actually runs up to that guy. You come terminate here. The cable is super flexible. It's the sheathing that's not as flexible as you'd necessarily like. So it'll basically sit like that. One of the problems I'm running into is I have a million billion cables. Cutouts in the tunnel cover just aren't quite large enough, so I think I'm going to come through and hog out about a 1/4 inch on each of these cutouts, and it should give me plenty of space to put in some abrasion protection, one, and run all the cables that I need to